దయచేసి ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్స్ చేయండి.
New director of CBI is Alok Kumar Verma, who was elected as the new president of the European Parliament on 17th January 2017. Anthony Tajani, who was elected as the new president of Haiti. Jovenel Moise. Haiti capital is Port-au-Prince. Haiti currency is gourd. Mascot of the National Youth Festival 2017 is Lado. Where is the headquarters of CERN? Geneva. Who heads the committee to review the institutionalization of orbitization mechanism? B.N. Sri Krishna. World Hindi Day was first observed in 2006. Union government allotted rupees 200 crore to set up Indian Agriculture Research Institute IARI in Jharkhand. The 62 Filmfare Awards winner list given the incorrect combination. The best film Dangal. The 62nd Filmfare Awards winner list given the incorrect combination is Best Actor Male Amir Khan for Dangal. Second edition of Resignia Dialogue held on 17th-19th January 2017 at New Delhi. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh is Virbhadra Singh. For which book T.S. Eliot Prize for Poetry conferred on Jacob Polly? The cash award for the prize is $20,000. Jack's Shelf. New captain of Indian cricket team for all their formats of the game is Virat Kohli. Which state announced setting up a special panel to stop child trafficking under the chairmanship of Partha Chatterjee? West Bengal. As per the central government statement, there are about pensioners in the country and almost 88% of pension accounts have been ceded to Aadhaar, 50 to 55 lakh. 20th National Conference on E-Governance organized from 9th to 10th January 2017 in the state of Andhra Pradesh. On 12th January 2017, India celebrating the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. 154. Union government recently decided to set up new sewage treatment plant under new Ganga cleaning projects at Haridwar and Varanasi. 29th meeting of the Standing Committee of Voluntary Agencies held at New Delhi. First edition of the Nobel Prize Series exhibition organized in Gujarat. World Hindi Day celebrated on 10th January. Narendra Modi addressed the 21st National Youth Festival in video conference at Rohtak. Which nation agreed to help in developing Chennai, Ahmedabad and Varanasi as smart cities? Japan. Which Bollywood actress won the favorite dramatic TV actress award in the 2017 People's Choice Awards? Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra won People's Choice Award for favorite dramatic TV actress for her role as a CIA agent in which TV series? Quantico. The best FIFA Men's Player 2016 conferred on Cristiano Ronaldo. T.S. Eliot Prize for Poetry conferred on Jacob Polly. Union government established which committee to suggest and recommend formation of National Sports Development Code NSDC? Injeti Srinivas. Internet and Mobile Association of India constituted a working group as a part of efforts to fight online piracy. Who among the following is the chairman of the committee? Ajit Mohan. Which committee on digital payments recommended appropriate measures for encouraging digital payments submitted its report to Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on 9th December 2016? Ratan P. Vatal. Committee of Chief Minister headed by constituted to promote digital payment systems to promote transparency and financial inclusion. Chandrababu Naidu. Which state declared Dharmashala as its second capital on 19th January 2017? Himachal Pradesh. On 12th January 2017, Union government announced to increase the minimum pension for the central government employees to a per person is 90,000. Union Minister of State for Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions is Jitendra Singh. Ex gratia amount for central government employees increased from rupees 10 to 15 lakh to rupees 25 to 35 lakh. 58th India International Garment Fair 2017 organized at Gurgaon. Raisina Dialogue is India's flagship geopolitical conference organized by Ministry of External Affairs in partnership with the Observer Research Foundation. It was inaugurated by Narendra Modi. Which nation on 16th January 2017 became the associate member of the European Organization for Nuclear Research CERN formally? South Korea. How many nations have membership in CERN? 22. Present Director General of CERN is Fabiola Gianotti. Theme of the 2017 Raisina Dialogue is The New Normal, Multilateralism in Multipolarity. In which year Swami Vivekananda given historical speech in World's Parliament of Religion? 1893. Theme for the National Youth Festival 2017 is Youth for Digital India. India and which country is signed in the field of youth affairs on 18th January 2017? Russia. Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Youth Affairs and Sports is Vijay Goyal. National Youth Day observed on 12th January. National Youth Day celebrating to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్తో మీ ముందుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.